Hello and welcome to today's video, which is about this question: how do you start an online marketing business? Hi, I'm Ashley, and in this video we'll be discussing the key steps and methods which you can follow to start a profitable digital marketing agency or to begin an online marketing business. So I suggest that you avoid any distractions and pay close attention to the things that I am going to share with you. Keep watching. If you are new to the channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button so you get alerted about new videos. Please make sure you give the video a like because that tells me you find these videos useful. Thank you. So let's get into it. So to begin with, let me tell you about digital marketing agencies and what they are in practice. Basically, a digital marketing agency reaches customers online through websites, blogs, social media, email and television. A digital marketing agency can help businesses build their customer base and increase sales and brand loyalty. Some niches that fit under the digital marketing umbrella include SEO, social media, pay-per-click ads, email marketing, video marketing, influencer marketing, content marketing, and website design. I will now tell you about the different types of digital marketing agencies. Here are the most common types of digital marketing agencies. Full service. Full service digital agencies can service all or most of a client's needs. They will have a team of designers, creatives, analysts and developers covering everything from web development, SEO, social media management and ad campaigns. Single channel. Single channel agencies are specialists that serve one specific area of digital marketing. Focusing on one marketing channel allows these agencies to deliver one-of-a-kind results to their clients and dominate a marketing channel. Multi-channel. Multi-channel agencies fall between full-service and single-channel agencies. These agencies match a few complementary marketing channels, for example, SEO and web design, or social media management and social media ads. Let me now give you some steps to follow to start a digital marketing agency or online marketing business. There is no mandatory order you need to follow when starting a marketing agency. Instead, follow this rough framework to give your agency the best chance of starting out strong. Here is the first step. Choose a service or services to offer to a client. Step 1 is to determine what services you want to offer to your clients. You can be a full service agency offering one service or matching a few complementary services. Let me give you a few ideas. Here are some services that you can offer to your clients: SEO, social media, pay-per-click ads, email marketing, video marketing, influencer marketing, content marketing, and website design. An example of matching complementary services together would be a website design company offering SEO services to clients they build websites for. Here is the next method. Choose a niche market. Competition is intense in digital marketing. Choose to stand out instead of setting yourself up for an uphill battle. You can do this by choosing a niche and drilling down explicitly on the businesses within that niche. The smaller your target audience, the more you'll speak directly to your target audience. Your clients will understand what you do better and feel comfortable making quicker decisions. Once you've attained these clients, you can create processes built around the repetitive work you do. Eventually, you can become a market leader. A niche market is a focused set of people or businesses who want to purchase a specific offering. Think of niche marketing as the act of specializing in what you provide. When your company offers specific products and services instead of a wide variety of offerings, you benefit by saving money and becoming more productive. You'll also build a comparative advantage over competitors who are generalists. For example, in the pet industry, there are animals like dogs and cats. Creating a business that sells dog collars is a niche market. The same applies to cat sweaters and pet GPS trackers. When companies decide to sell to a niche market, they attract more customers to their product or service. Whether you're starting or scaling a business, niche marketing is an effective way to establish your brand positioning. Here are some other benefits that niche market entrepreneurs enjoy. Effective use of marketing resources. By focusing on a small audience, you can use your resources to find customers who align with your product. These people need your product the most and are most likely to convert. Niche marketing also helps you save on your marketing and advertising budget. That's because a highly targeted audience means you'll have fewer buyer personas. You can spend efficiently targeting specific types of products. More social proof. Aligning your products or services with a small group of customers is an excellent way to encourage word-of-mouth marketing and positive reviews. This form of social proof is powerful. Recommendations can carry your business into a larger, potentially more profitable market. Mass markets often evolve from niche markets, so while you're starting small today, consider the big picture and start building the foundation that will help you succeed on a grand scale. Less competition. Operating in a niche market means you'll deal with less or no competition. Many companies or individuals like to serve many customers. By going narrow, you'll offer a specific product that will eliminate many companies from your customers' radar. That said, there may also be fewer customers looking for your product or service, so you'll need to enter a niche market that has an adequate audience. Increased brand loyalty. Niche marketing allows individuals and businesses to improve brand loyalty. Engaging with fewer people means you'll find it easier to nurture prospects and build quality relationships. Your audience will know that you understand their vibe. They'll see you as a true partner rather than a vendor who's only interested in their money. If at any point you want to advance your digital skills with step-by-step training with leading industry experts to learn internet marketing, I recommend you click the link under the video now and check out the Internet Business School, the UK's leading internet marketing training company. It will give you all the cutting-edge digital skills, training and knowledge you need to create a profitable online business. If you're interested in that, which I hope you are, click the link in the description box under the video now and take a look at it. So let's now get back to those tips. Here we go. Here is the next step. Find clients and market yourself. The funny irony about running a digital marketing agency is that marketing will most likely be your biggest challenge. Since you're a marketer yourself, you must be on top of your game when presenting your business to potential clients. I will now tell you a few ways to market your digital marketing agency and get your first clients. Here we go. Create a business website. Eventually, people will start searching for your agency online. Before that day comes, people will want to do their research on your business after hearing about you through your outbound marketing. The obvious central place you can direct potential clients to is a website. Let me tell you some of the good things you can do with a website. These include showcase your portfolio to potential clients. Showcase your marketing chops with a beautiful website. Speak directly to your target market and build desire and trust. Send inbound leads to specific landing pages through ads and content marketing, and build credibility while doing outbound marketing. When starting a marketing business, speed is your best friend. Don't spend too much time building a website unless you plan to utilize it as your number one marketing asset. I recommend building a website with WordPress. WordPress is free software. It means you are free to download, install, use and modify it to match your needs. You can use it to create any kind of website. While the WordPress software itself is free, you do need a domain name and web hosting to install it. A domain name is the address of your website on the internet. This is what your users type in their browser's address bar to access your website. For example, wpbeginner.com. Web hosting is like your website's house where all your website files are stored. Here is the next method: cold call and cold email. Cold emailing gets a lot of negative vibes and cold calling gets it even worse, but the truth is that they both work. If the only thing stopping you from starting is the question, how do digital marketing agencies get their first clients? Then cold calling and emailing is your answer. These methods can work when you play the game of numbers and have a plan. Again, remember that for every marketing technique that exists, other marketing agencies are overusing it. To stand out with cold emailing, properly research each company and owner before reaching out. Customization gets attention and shows you're willing to go the extra mile. Create a portfolio. Whether you have a website or not, you at least need somewhere you can showcase your portfolio. Show your target market that you can deliver results and plan to continue doing so. A good portfolio will show accurate timelines, important metrics, and a report on why the result was good. Content marketing. Content marketing is a marketing strategy used to attract and engage an audience by creating relevant content like articles, videos, and other media. Content marketing is a great way to build a metaphorical moat around your business if you have long-term plans for your agency. Content marketing can position you as an authority in your space and generate significant inbound leads. Find a medium and consistently create high-quality content that's a step above what's already there. When you're creating content, you have two primary goals: to educate and to help someone solve a problem. While the objective is to generate leads or drive readers towards a purchase, you also want to establish your brand as a trustworthy source of information first. Then, after they've come to trust you, readers can convert and turn into paying customers. Every piece of content should solve for the reader by answering their questions, offering useful resources and tips, and getting them slowly acquainted with what you offer and how you can help. For example, if your brand offers vacation rentals, your content should revolve around travel and provide important information that potential travelers need. You would write city-specific travel guides, list of best places to visit, lists of best practices for traveling solo, and so forth. Once a reader continues to come to you as an authoritative source of information, they'll trust you enough to make you their provider. Here is the next method: build social media accounts. You don't need to be everywhere, but creating an omnipresence early will position you as an authority. Build profiles in places your target market hangs out. Make sure you use the right platforms for you. Choosing the right platform is just as crucial as setting yourself targets. It's important not to overwhelm yourself by trying to get famous on every platform going. If you're in the business industry, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn might be the best for you, whereas if you're a photographer or artist, then perhaps more visual platforms such as Instagram and Pinterest are more beneficial. If you're a bit stuck as to where to start, then put your focus on Facebook and Instagram. Both platforms are the most used in the world, with over 1 billion monthly users on Facebook alone. Thank you for watching, and be sure to let me know in the comments below which method from this video you are going to use first. If you want more help with internet marketing with step-by-step training with leading industry experts to learn digital marketing, go and click the link under the video now and visit the Internet Business School, the UK's leading internet marketing training company. It will give you all the training, skills and knowledge you need to create a profitable online business. If you're interested in that, which I hope you are, just click the link in the description box under the video now and take a look at it. I hope you found this video useful. Please share it with your friends, like it and tell people about it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and please give the video a like. If you have any questions, leave a comment under the video below and I will follow up with you. Thanks for watching.